Absolutely beautiful. 1966 Chevelle convertible. It is stunning. Frame off restored. The underneath looks just like the top. Red bucket seats, center console, original 283 V8, automatic transmission. She runs and drives unbelievable. Laser straight, rally wheels, power steering, power disc brakes, raised white letter tires. I mean, everything you could want in the Chevelle is right here. Beautiful, brand new white convertible top, and that top is power. Just a stunning 8-cylinder 66 Chevelle convertible. Don't miss out here. Beautiful car. I got a price to sell. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.